Today in our kitchen we will be making chicken bread cutlets. This is a very easy Ramadan recipe as it requires only a few ingredients. For this we'll need 1 large potato, 1 chicken fillet boiled together, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, black pepper and salt, 1 chopped spring onion, 1 egg but we'll save it for later, and our important ingredient, a few slices of white bread. Firstly, we'll start off by mixing them together. Then we're going to mash these with a masher. The potato and the chicken have been mashed together well. As you can see, they combine together. Now before we add the spices, we're going to add the mixture into a bigger bowl. Now we're going to add in our spices. There's some black pepper, chili flakes and salt together so the spice is all over the chicken and the potato. Now we're adding in the chopped spring onion. Going to mix this in the mixture as the spring onions give a great taste to the mixture. I'm going to set this aside and bring in our bread slices. Now bread slices, we're going to put them all together equally. For this, you can either cut into squares, but I'm just going to cut in halves. You have to do this very slowly as the bread is soft. There we go. I have equal halves. So now we're going to take the 1/2 of the bread. We're going to take our mixture and apply on the bread just like how we apply butter. We're going to do this on the other side as well. The mixture might look strong, but as the bread is very mild, so it should even out. There we go. You can just fill in the edges properly. Now we're going to take another slice and our mixture on the bread. And the same for the other side. There we go. As I mentioned, you can cut these into squares as well. So for the squares, we cut into the half. Or we can do for the second one as well. So for this one, it's the same. It's easier, and this one gives you a bite size of the chicken bread cutlets. And then we repeat this on the other side as well. As you can see, it's the same thing, just in a smaller size and looks better. I prefer squares as it's easier to put the mixture on and to fry. So it's up to you to decide which shape you like of the bread. Just make sure you have the mixture on well on the both sides. As you can see, I've made 2 plates of the chicken bread cutlets from just 1 chicken fillet and 1 potato. I'm almost done. You can either shallow fry these or you can freeze them for later. I've added a pinch of salt in the egg and now a few black pepper, and I'm gonna whisk it. I'm going to whisk it well. I've added the milk so our bread cutlets can come out fluffy. You can see the bread slices have got a nice brown color and it's well coated with egg. As you can see, our bread cutlets are ready. They've gotten a nice brown color. This is a very easy Ramadan recipe and especially very popular in the kids, as it's very easy to make and it's with bread and it's very light in taste. Please do try it and show me how it goes for you, and give this video a big thumbs up.